Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Battery Box Solar Lantern Light Replacement, a versatile solar battery box designed to upgrade your outdoor garden lighting. This compact unit measures just 40 millimeters by 70 millimeters and is made from high-quality ABS plastic, which means it's durable enough to withstand rain, sun, and general wear and tear. One of the standout features is the automatic on-off switch. When the solar panel charges during the day, the light turns off automatically. At dusk, it turns on without any manual intervention. This makes it perfect for DIY solar lantern projects or replacing old worn-out tops on existing solar lights. The box fits most standard solar lamps, hanging lanterns, and garden decor, so you can give new life to fixtures that have stopped working. Installation is straightforward. Just remove the old top, connect the wires, and snap this replacement into place. The package comes in quantities of 1, 2, 4, or 6 units, so you can tackle multiple lights at once. For this review, I tested the single-pack version. I installed it on a 15-year-old solar path light that had a dead battery and non-functional panel. After replacing with this battery box, the light worked perfectly. It charged on a sunny day and illuminated for about 6 hours into the night. The ABS housing feels sturdy, and the seal around the switch is tight enough to keep moisture out. There are no extra features like brightness settings or color options, but for a simple, reliable replacement, it does exactly what it promises. If you're looking to extend the life of your garden solar lights without buying new fixtures, this battery box is a cost-effective solution. It's also great for hobbyists building custom solar lanterns. Just note that you'll need to pair it with a standard AA rechargeable battery, which is not included. Overall, I recommend this product for its ease of use, build quality, and functionality. Links to purchase are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.